Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to find clients on LinkedIn. So we have 7 proven methods to find clients on LinkedIn, even if you're just starting out. So yeah, LinkedIn is one of the most or the best platforms for B2B clients, freelancers, and service providers because the users are already in professional mindset. Okay, so the first method is this is very important. You have to optimize your profile. So before starting finding your clients, your profile should clearly show what you do, who you help, and what results you provide. So just tap on your me option, your profile. Just go to the settings. That's right. Okay, so you have to put your name, your location, your industry, your personal demographic info. Of course, this is very important, your gender, and yeah, if you have a disability that substantially limits a major life activity or a history of disability, so you can also add that right here. Okay, so for your name, location, and your you can edit that right here. That's right. Okay, so let's go back here. Okay, so you can also change your language and everything. So make sure you have a professional profile photo, a strong headline, not just your job title, a clear about section, and your profile is your first impression. So make it client ready. Next one is basic LinkedIn search bar. So you can search for, let's go back here. Okay, so you can search for business owners, CEOs, marketing managers, real estate agents, startup founders. So something like that. So let me just search for CEOs. Okay, so you'll be able to see here now the different CEOs. So you can also filter by location, industry, or company. So you have it right here. So this is just a very simple but powerful way to manually find your potential clients. Now, the third one is using the LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So the Sales Navigator is not for free, so you have to upgrade to premium plan. So you just have to go here, tap on the try premium, and then try 1 month of premium. So if you're new to LinkedIn, your account is new, of course, you don't need to actually pay for the first month. So your first month of using the Sales Navigator or the premium plan here on LinkedIn is free. All right, so tap on the next option. That's right. So just wait for a couple of seconds, then tap on the next option. So let me just show you what the Sales Navigator looks like. So here is the plan. That's right. So it includes all of these features. So you just have to tap on the Learn More option. Okay, so this is the official price, and the 1 month free trial is you can claim that when you first subscribe to on your first month here on LinkedIn. Okay, so this tool actually allows you to find highly targeted leads using advanced filters like job title, company size, industry, seniority level. So it helps you find decision makers faster and more accurate than the normal search. And the fourth one is to engage with content. So you have to engage with the content instead of immediately messaging people. You can start by interacting with their posts. So, see for example, let's search for CEOs once again. You just have to visit your profile. Okay, so you can interact with their post. So if you can find their post, then yeah, you just have to like their post, leave meaningful comments, share insights. So basically, this will help you to get noticed before you even send a message. Okay, so for the fifth one is you have to create your own content. Okay, so you have to post things like tips related to your service, case studies, before and after results, industry insights, so that when people see your expertise, they may come to you instead of chasing them. So you just have to post one. Okay, so you just have to go here, start a post. So you just have to describe what services can you offer, or the proof that you can actually work on this kind of project, that you are good with this. So something like that. You just have to showcase what you can offer to them. Okay, next one is the sixth one is to send a personalized DMs. So once you've engaged with someone, you just need to send a short and personalized message. So for example, like, hi, I saw your profile and I really like your work. I help businesses improve their service and I'd like to connect. So something like that. So you need to really avoid copy paste messages. Personalization increases response rate. So you need to take note of that. And for our last method is you can join LinkedIn groups. So you can look for groups related to your niche, such as business owner groups. So let me just try to search for this one. All right. So you can use the filters at the top. Okay. So choose the groups option. So something like this. So you just have to tap on this one. And then you have here the join button. So you just have to tap on it. That's right. So these groups are full of potential clients and networking opportunities. Now let's try to search for marketing communities. Okay. So you just have to look for groups related to your niche. Alright, marketing communities. Let me just go back here. Okay, so let me type it out again. Marketing communities. And once you've found that group, so you just have to join it. Let's just use the filter at the top. Okay, so for example, this one, you'd be able to see here the number of members. So you just have to tap on the join option. Okay, so those are the 7 methods to find clients on LinkedIn. Again, you have to optimize your profile, use LinkedIn search, use the sales navigator, engage with content, post valuable content, send personalized DMs, and join the LinkedIn groups. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.